Good morning and welcome to sunny Florida. For the last week, we've been living aboard the Odyssey of the Seas, and today we're finally headed back to Minnesota. But because our flight doesn't leave till 7 p.m., we thought we would stop here at the Everglades Holiday Park to go on an airboat tour. We're keeping our fingers crossed to see some alligators, and afterwards, apparently they have some kind of alligator show. And our airboat is actually loading up right now, so we're gonna go.
All right, we're going on our airboat ride. Are they piranhas?
I hope not. Do you fit?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah. You're really close to the water. Huh?
I'm gonna go have some fun, explore. You never know. Facebook or something, my future husband could be out there.
Unfortunately, we didn't see any gators on our tour, but looking on the bright side, it was beautiful. We'll for sure have to come back to the actual Everglades National Park at some point and explore a bit more next time. For now, we're heading to the Gator Show, which apparently is run by the same guy who was on Gator Boys.
If I get this close to a wild alligator or crocodile, I'm just gonna do one of two things. I guarantee you, neither of which is this. Just go to the water, just swallow that food. So tough. It's amazing how fast they move, isn't it? Wow.
It's a baby.
And before we knew it, the only thing left to do was to try some gator bites.
Keep it covered, or else the birds will eat it.
Okay. We've got about an hour to kill, so we got some gator bites. We have tried gator before last time we were in Florida. Tastes like chicken. Told you can't rip it. Oh my god.
Good common bars. Very chewy.
Very true. Do you like it?
I like chicken better.
I like chicken better.
I would agree. I like the bird.
Are you gonna fly away?
Yeah.
What?
Like in the alligator show, he said if you do that with your ears, he'll fly.
So you're like Dumbo?
Yeah. But I don't fly. Deborah dropped the camera in the bathroom, so the whole thing shattered, but luckily it was just the UV protector.
Always use a lens cover.
Yes.